Lucid Air just beat Tesla in the EV war. Mind-blowing technological improvements have undoubtedly taken industries by storm, notably the electric car business, which has now emerged as a key hotbed of innovation. The electric car business is now in great demand since it combines the qualities of generating economical, fashionable, and eco-friendly automobiles. Tesla has been the most dominating participant in this business till date. But now their nemesis, Lucid Air, is here to beat them. But how? Are the golden days for Tesla over? So join us today, as in this episode, we are going to discuss the fact that Lucid Air just beat Tesla in the EV war. With Lucid Air's entry into the EV market, it looks like Lucid might soon overtake Tesla. Both Lucid Motors and Tesla targeted the high end of the electric car industry. It will be fascinating to watch how the electric car fight between two huge firms develops over time. Despite Tesla's lengthy history in the sector, the Lucid Air has always been a well-established brand in this broad market. As previously said, purchasing an electric car is simply considered an investment by the customer, and purchasers are unquestionably more confident in investing in a well-known brand, which in this case is certainly Tesla. In and of itself, breaking into this vast business and taking on one of the most well-known names, like Tesla, is a significant hurdle. Lucid Motors, on the other hand, looks to have broken the code with the construction of their high-quality Lucid Air electric car, which is poised to compete with Tesla automobiles. It's also worth mentioning that Peter Rawlinson, a former principal engineer on the Tesla Model S development, runs the startup Lucid Motors. It looks like the CEO is following in the footsteps of his predecessor and learning from his failures to produce something cutting-edge to compete with the prior firm. The Lucid Air electric car was originally designed to compete with Tesla's Model S as well as other German automakers. Let's take a look at all of the distinguishing qualities of this incredible vehicle that set it apart from the other big EV companies, notably Tesla. The electric car business is enormous, and vehicle pricing, in general, plays a large impact. Although Lucid Air began delivering units in November 2021, more units are in the works. According to rumors, the costs are cheaper than those of Tesla's electric vehicles, which might be a major selling point. By 2022, Lucid hopes to offer a Lucid Air model starting at $77,400, directly competing with a few Tesla models. Tesla's most recent electric car, the Model S, starts at $79,990, which is far more than Lucid would charge. Even so, the change is insignificant. The consumer still wants the item with the lowest price. So obviously the loss has the lead here. These are, however, merely entry-level vehicles, and both manufacturers will offer a broad range of trim levels in the future. Lucid Motors' successful approach will be a selection of low and pricey automobiles ranging from $160,000 to $25,000, which the firm has enough to offer. The range of an electric vehicle refers to how far it can drive before needing to be recharged. Again, if rumors are to be believed, Lucid Air will have a vast range of over 517 miles, which is around 20% more than what the Tesla models provide. The range is undeniably impressive, particularly for a startup like Lucid Motors. No other business has ever succeeded in giving a long range in the realm of electric cars as Lucid Air has, and the firm is clearly on pace to have the single greatest range ever. However, Tesla's other upcoming models, such as the Roadster, are projected to have comparable ranges, and the Lucid Air is well known for surprising people when it was delivered in 2021. So Tesla is up against some stiff competitors in the market, and I'm excited to watch them battle it out. Aside from the base vehicles, premium automakers have previously unveiled their high-end air car variants, which are a visual feast. Although the price of this Lucid Air variant will be somewhat higher than Tesla's, this model will surely have the most luxurious features. A high-end automobile with LED headlights with 9,000 tiny lenses that alter orientation without moving components will be available. There is no start button, but there is a smart steering wheel that can choose your vehicle and operate the wash and wipe functions. When the owner stepped away, the car's doors would be able to lock, then unlock and wait for the owner to return. The Lucid Air will surely be a one-of-a-kind car with the most aerodynamic body, reaching 60 miles per hour in under 2.4 seconds. This effectively targets a market of individuals even more wealthy than those who can purchase Teslas. As a consequence, pricing will no longer be a barrier in their fight with Tesla, forcing them to compete in the luxury market. Lucid Air has taken the lead in the business with its cutting-edge technologies. Forget about Tesla. Both Tesla and Lucid Air seek a combination of comfort and elegance in the interior of their vehicles. Lucid Air's interiors are certainly more opulent and larger than the Tesla models. Luxury interior elements including open-floor wood trim, perforated leather upholstery, and a full-length glass roof that resemble an aviation canopy. A sun visor keeps passengers and drivers from splinting or overheating as a result of the weather. All of this is fine, but the steering wheel makes a considerable difference. The steering wheels on the Tesla EV were not spherical. A substantial proportion of people who bought automobiles didn't like them. They expressed their dissatisfaction with the situation. The steering wheels on Lucid Air are round and considerably more relaxing and pleasant, which attracts the attention of potential buyers. To beat Lucid Air in this section, Tesla will have to boost their game. The batteries in electric vehicles are the main power source, and they played a significant role here as well. Lucid Motors plans to offer a countrywide charging plan to consumers in the United States through a partnership with Electrify America. When combined with a charging station with a power output of 300 kilowatts or greater, a strategy like this allows vehicles to gain not just 1 or 2 miles of range, but 3 miles of range in just 20 minutes. Apart from that, the Lucid Air will have a maximum output of 1080 horsepower, compared to 1020 horsepower for the Tesla Model S Plaid, giving Lucid Motors a 60 horsepower lead if you can't do arithmetic. The Lucid Air additionally contains an integrated bidirectional rectifier that can utilize and deliver alternating current power up to 19.2 kilowatts. Furthermore, Lucid Air will prioritize rapid charging capability due to the rise of more intense usage patterns and the desire for stop-and-go fast charging as a result of time restrictions. Lucid Motors says that its automobiles will include reverse charging capabilities in the case of a power outage, allowing the vehicle's battery to operate as a battery for the owner's home. Lucid Air will use LiDAR and its sensors for cutting-edge driver assistance frameworks that will let users use their high-level roboticized or automated driving frameworks while being aware of the road and their surroundings, ready to physically direct if necessary. Level 1 will include smart driver aid technologies, as well as cameras, radar, and ultrasonic sensors, while levels 2 and 3 will enable total hands-free driving, even topping Tesla. Tesla offers high-end autonomous driving technology. Brett's automobiles were simply advertised as fully self-driving. However, the system's characteristics do not, at this time, allow for a hands-free driving experience. Despite being a relative newcomer to the EV business, Lucid Motors is poised to become the next big competitor, potentially displacing Tesla, which has dominated it for many years. The attractive design, amazing technology, reduced costs, and eye-catching features of Lucid Air are enough to grab anyone's curiosity and draw them away from the powerful Tesla. Lucid Motors is, without a doubt, no longer a niche brand in the EV industry. So there you have it. In the comments box below, please share your opinions about Lucid Motors in EV manufacture. Is Lucid Air superior to Tesla? That is to say, everything needs to be a competition. Everyone must be on two opposite ends of the spectrum. So go ahead and join a discussion in the comments section and express your thoughts. Having said that, we have reached the end of our video. I hope you have enjoyed this video and found it useful. If yes, don't hesitate to give it a thumbs up. And it's high time for you to subscribe to the channel and send the notification bell on to get all the updates on our works. See you soon. Until then, peace.